वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज इस ब्लॉग में हम देखेंगे कि किस तरह आर्ट ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल का हैंडल बार आपके राइडिंग एक्सपीरियंस को बनाता है एकदम ढांसू और कैसे करता है वाइब्रेशन को नेस्तनाबूद। I like this one. So it's been a while now. I installed this handlebar on my Classic, on my Valkyrie, and I must say that it feels good to ride on this using this handlebar. First of all, the vibration has been reduced a lot compared to the stock one. I can see in my mirrors now clearly. There's slight vibration here and there, but I can still see the backdrop clearly in my mirrors. One previously it was like all blurry, super blurry. And I ordered it like last month, but then there was this whole 2-3 weeks of rain, hence I couldn't take my bike out because of this whole rain session which was going on for 2-3 weeks. So today is nice, bright and sunny day. It's not a day now, it's become evening. So I thought of taking out this one and going on a spin and testing it out. I already have tested this like couple of small trips which I've done in and around my area to get a hang of this handlebar, and I must say I love it, man. I love it, and the comfort is like really good. Like before I had to slightly lean forward because of that stock handlebar, but with this I sit more upright and my elbows are more relaxed, which is really good. And the turning radius has also been same. It has not been reduced or anything because this handlebar is wide, and it's very wide compared to the stock one. If you can make out, it's 2 inch wider from both the side. So today I'm going to Panjim, but on the way I'm gonna meet Neeraj, and together we're gonna go for a small evening ride. I hope they have fixed this road because इसके बीच में बहुत ही बड़ा गड्ढा है, बहुत ही बड़ा. I hope they have done its patching. क्या थूक पट्टी का काम करते रहे हैं लोग. पूरा रोड को हॉट मिक्स करवा दो ना यार. अभी मत करो, अभी बारिश है, ख़राब हो जाएगा. अभी हम यहाँ से लेंगे लेफ़्ट और मिलते हैं नीरज को. काहो का करत बा कैसन बा थोड़ा सा हाँ हलता स्टडी उड़ता रहता भितर प्रॉब्ली यहाँ पर माउंट यहाँ पर तो हलता चलो तो यार तरी माउंट यहाँ पर तो स्ट्रॅप यहाँ पर वो स्ट्रॅप तो हलता तो टाइट कर मागीर मजा हलता मातसो वय वॉर्म अप तरी करपाची मरे तितकें हांगासर तापय तरी तिका. So let's get back to the topic of the handlebar. So saddling is possible, but I won't advise doing it until unless you have to do it. I'll tell you more about this handlebar as we continue this small ride. The other thing which I like about this, it has this middle rod because what it does, it cuts down the vibration, so it helps the rider not to feel the vibration. Plus you can mount stuff on it. So right now I mounted this Bobo charger on it, so, and you can mount many more accessories, many more switch or accessories which you want to do, put on this handlebar. And all the joints and everything is well hidden, like the those marks, welding marks. So you can't see those welding marks, they have been nicely been hidden, and it's been machine cut. It's machine cut, so yeah, it is really good. I have put the unboxing video. I won't say unboxing, I will say unwrapping it and fixing video. अहे आमरे किती झालं रे? झाली मरे. Let's move. So coming back to the handlebar and coming back to the main road also, let me tell you more about this. So the delivery was very fast. It was like within few days in the sense, this in like 3 days it was delivered to my place, and the packing was like really good. It was wrapped really nicely. And the thing is that it's not cash on delivery, so you have to pay by card, debit card or credit card. So it's not cash on delivery. That's first thing. And I got like a nice cute thank you letter for purchasing wala card from them, and I got stickers of our motorcycle. Okay, coming back again. Oh, this is loud. Yeah. Coming back again to the handlebar. The fitting is good, everything fit perfectly. If you feel kind of an issue with the throttle cable, because that's the only cable which didn't reach properly, so we had to take it out from its main socket. Focusing on riding and talking at the same time is such a difficult job. So let's get back to the topic. And I got stickers. I have not put them on this bike, but I'll be putting on my other bike. The installation was cheap. It took around 200 rupees for the installation. I always love this view. Looks so nice. Look at the view. किती म्हणता आपले एक Kakra viewpoint. So if you are planning to buy this handlebar, go for it. Some people might say it spoils the look of your bike, but as long as you're comfortable with it and you enjoy, I don't think so it should make any, should affect you. So as I was saying that you need to pay the shipping charges. So yeah, that's the only drawback of this, but yeah, so the total goes more than 2k, but it's worth it. If you want to upgrade your handlebar to this, I'll definitely say yes. It's a worth investment, and I'm enjoying it right now, and I think you will also enjoy it. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope I was able to give you a nice review about this art of motorcycle handlebar. And thanks once again to Neeraj for accompanying me on this ride. And do subscribe to my channel and do press that like button on this video. It helps a lot. Till then, take care, be safe, be yourself.